Hello everyone, this is Tiny. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a Tonic craft kit subscription haul. And this is the Tonic craft kit number 42. And it is called Spring Wreath Die and Stamp Set. And there's some examples of what you can make. It looks like it's going to be springy colors. This is the inside of the kit. And we will start with start with the papers. I gotta move you over here. All right. Here we go with the paper. If I can get it out. All right. And the first color you see is Classic Card Buttermilk Yellow. That is that one. Buttermilk Yellow. And the next one is a Classic Card. Let's see. This one. Mustard yellow. It does too. It looks like a mustard. And then Classic Card Coral Pink. That is that one. And then Mirror Card Gold Pearl. That is that one. Very pretty. And then Mirror Card Pink Chevron. That is that one. Very pretty color. And Specialty Card Honey Gold Roses. That one is pretty. I love those honey gold roses. That's just a beautiful one. And then next is the Pearlescent Card Lemon Luster. That one's a pretty color too. And then the last is the Specialty Card Coral Confetti. And it has a bunch of hearts. I don't know if you can see that. I've used that paper before for Valentine's Day. Next we have some watercolor pad, A2 size. I like their watercolor paper. And then we have a Nuvo adhesive runner. Very nice. And then we have the Aquaflow pen, and the color is Dream in Color. And this one's just peachy. So that one, that's the color, just peachy. It's from the set Dream in Color. So very nice. Slight peach color. And then we have Crystal Drop in Carnation Pink. And that is the color. And then we have the embellishment mousse. In pink, or peony pink. And that is what it looks like. It's like a pink color. Not a fan of pink, but what can you do? And then the next thing is a Nuvo Piercing Glitter, and that is light gold. Very pretty color. And then I have Piercing Glitter in Ice White. Very pretty. use that for snow for in the winter time. Very nice. And then it comes with the wallet, the craft wallet ring binder for to keep your dies and stamps in. So you got that. And then, oh, it comes with this. This is neat. It comes with the Nuvo embellishment tool. Very tiny embellishment tool. But I did use it, and it did do a good job at holding the jewels that I was putting on my project. And the next thing we will look at is the spring wreath stamp set. Where's my, don't know if you can see that, but that is the stamp set. Spring is in the air. Live life in full bloom. Hello spring. Spring fever. If friends were flowers, I would pick you. The first blooms of spring always make my heart sing. Spring has sprung. Here's to lots of sunny days to come. And then that one says springtime. So that's the die set, or the stamp set, sorry. So then the next thing is the die set. And this is the first one. So you got your flower, your little thing to put your sentiment on, and spring, and the shadow die, and then some flowers for that one. And then the next one looks like this. This is the wreath. So there you get that part, and then the shadows, and then here's another flower, and then here's some butterflies. So that is your other stamp set, or the die set. Jeez, I can't think today. My goodness. And then they have their sale that's going on currently is the Paper Shop monthly sale. You get 60% off all card and paper. And then there is a big spring sale coming up. It starts the 19th of April. So be on the lookout for that. And then the next thing, or the last thing, is, well, two last things. You got the craft wallet that holds your dies and your stamp set. They go in there. And then you have the sticker. It says live life in full bloom. Beautiful sticker. So I will stick that there. And that is your Tonic craft kit subscription for the month of March, I think. Is it the month of March? Or April? I'm not sure how they do it, but anyways, it is craft kit number 42. We'll just say that. Spring wreath, die, and stamp set. Very cool kit. And there's some of your makes. So, very cool. And that's it. That's all I have today. Have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.